So here's how to download apps on laptop and PC for Windows. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Store and then make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. And then you can simply look for any apps you want, for example, gaming for games. And you can get free games or purchase games just like any other store, like Steam or Epic Games. You can also download apps or install apps such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, and all of these apps. You can also search for apps by name, for example, Netflix in here, and then press enter, and you should see the Netflix app, and then you can click on get to start downloading, and this should install the app to your desktop just like any other app store. You can see from this section the apps being downloaded or apps needing an update, and here you can see the library of all your installed apps. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.